Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send photos in Discord. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, whether you're in a chat or wherever, it could be on a server, you just basically find the plus sign under the message box. Click on the plus sign. Now go ahead and click on upload a file. Now go ahead and find the photo that you wanted to upload. Okay, so for example, this one. Once that's done, just click on enter or press enter on your keyboard, and then it will be sent in a moment. All right. Another option, you can minimize the Discord app, find the photo, drag and drop, hit enter. Now, another option, go ahead and open up snipping tool. Maybe you're trying to screenshot something. Go ahead and take your screenshot. And then under snipping tool, just right click, copy, close snipping tool, it doesn't matter. Control V to paste and hit on send. Okay. Either Control V or right click and paste. There you go. That's how simple it is to send photos in Discord. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.